Have you ever sat down at the piano, started a backing track, and didn't know what to play? Have a listen. In this video, I'll show you how to improvise on the piano using an emotional backing track, step by step and without overthinking. We'll be working with the chord progression D minor, A minor, C major and G major. If you want to practice along, you'll find the link to the backing track in the description below. Feel free to use it. But before we play, here are two important tips for improvising with backing tracks. First tip, start as simple as possible. Even just playing slow chords or single notes is enough. Emotional music doesn't need complexity. And second tip, listen to the backing track. Feel the mood, the tempo and the harmony. Don't rush. Let the music breathe. So, let's start with our playing. By the way, if you want more structure for your improvisation practice, I've created a free PDF guide with 10 tips for piano improvisation. You can download it for free. The link is in the description. So, let's go on with our lesson. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to grab the free 10 tips for piano improvisation below. Sit down at your piano and play along with the backing track, link is below in the description. In the next video, we'll explore emotional piano arpeggios in more depth.